biggest tech show happened in Las Vegas, where different companies were presented with the newest, shiniest AI-driven tech inventions. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. 2025 is packed with really cool, innovative stuff. Some things will change the way we use things for our daily consumption. First off is the tongue-licking spoon, catering the issue of excessive salt intake, which can lead to heart problems. Kirin Holding used the research of Meiji University and developed Kirin Electric Salt Spoon. The spoon will make the food taste saltier by concentrating the sodium ions on your tongue. Apparently, the spoon has electrodes which will generate weak and non-painful current that'll move the sodium ions. Way to trick your own tongue into believing you're having salt. Unfortunately, you'll have to go to Japan to get the $125 electric salt spoon, although Kirin hopes to market it abroad soon. The next exciting discovery is of needle-free injections. Needle phobia is a well-known thing, and healthcare professionals face difficulty in giving shots to the patients almost every day, be it adult or children. The Dutch company Flowbeams has invented BulkJet, an injection that uses a laser to heat liquid, propelling high-velocity liquid microjets through the skin. They claim that the thinness of the microjets makes the process less painful than a traditional injection. Also, this will reduce bio-waste and cancel out the possibility of accidental needle sticks. Third is Carapod. Imagine making coffee without using any water. Yes, Carapod can make coffee with water present in the atmosphere. This innovative coffee machine can gather up to 13 glasses of atmospheric water every day. Company founder Cody Sudin says he wanted to create an innovative source of clean drinking water after growing up at a home with a contaminated well. Carapod will be available in the market later in 2025 for $299. Another invention, the Bee, is kind of a wearable bracelet that'll help its users to remember things by transcribing conversations into it. The device will not hold any audio, just the transcriptions. This will be a breakthrough for people with ADHD and Alzheimer's. The Bee is currently available for sale at $49 with basic recording and transcribing. However, at $12 per month, you can get advanced features as well. At last, we have Naki Neural Earbuds, which will use gyroscopic technology to control the things around us, like turning a lamp on and off by clenching their teeth, or adjusting the TV volume by tilting their head. How cool is that? That's why these earbuds were the winner of the event. These earbuds will also hit the market by the end of this year. So, this was the list. What innovation was your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.